With the beginning of 2024, the festivities of 2023 comes to an end. I am sure that you must have enjoyed and partied your way out of 2023. Therefore, right now is the time when you need to focus back on your body. Hello and welcome to the 5th episode of your favorite show, Eat Right. In today's episode, I will be sharing with you few tips and hacks with which you can detoxify your body and make sure that your levels of hydration are up again. Therefore, without further ado, let's jump into the video. The main focus of this video is on hydration. Because which is a better way to make sure that your body is alright, that your physical health and your outer appearance is alright than drinking loads of water. Water not only helps in keeping you hydrated, but it has magical effects on how glowing your skin appears to be on the outside. It also helps with your gut issues and makes your immunity system stronger. I'm sure that during this season, you might have gorged on a lot of oily food, processed food, sugary food, alcohol, and caffeine. Therefore, your body must have become dehydrated even if you did not notice. Therefore, the best thing you can do for yourself right now is to drink a glass of water. Yes, while you watch this video, make sure that you have a glass of water that you're drinking. For the next coming days, make sure that you keep your hydration level in check, that you're very mindful about how many glasses of water you're drinking. Ideally, you should be drinking 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Once your hydration levels are in check, now is the time that you can try to have fun and play around with your water. You can make it more aesthetic and Instagrammable. Today, I will be sharing with you 4 extremely easy and yummy detox water recipes that you can have in this cold season. I know that detox water is usually more associated with summer season, but I have these 4 amazing drinks that you can drink in this cold season that will keep your body warm, hydrated, and will build up your immunity system. So without further ado, let's get to know these 4 amazing drinks. Detox water number 1. Drink lemon juice. Drinking lemon juice mixed with hot water in this cold weather is very beneficial for your body. It will keep your body light, energetic, and warm at the same time. Lemon is considered to be a very good source of vitamin B, C, and phosphorus. It also helps in making your skin glow, helps building your immunity system up, and will relieve you of stomach-related issues such as gas and constipation if you face them during this season. It may also help with weight loss. Detox water number 2, ginger tea. Nothing can get as better as ginger tea when it comes to soothing your body during this cold season. Ginger contains large quantity of magnesium, calcium, zinc, phosphorus. Therefore, you should have ginger tea during this season as it will keep cough, cold, allergies at bay. Not only this, ginger also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. You can drink ginger tea in various ways. Either put a piece of ginger in water and boil it, or you can drink normal tea and add ginger in it. Therefore, whichever ginger tea you like, make it for yourself, but make sure that you drink it. Detox water number 3. Hot water and honey. I'm sure that during the season you must be consuming honey in one form or the other. But the best way to consume honey is to add a spoonful of it in hot water. Hot water and honey has extremely magical benefits if you consume it on an empty stomach. It may help with weight loss, but it definitely helps in eliminating all the toxins from your stomach. It helps in repairing damaged cells, has anti-inflammatory properties. Also, it will provide you a glowing effect on your skin and might help in clearing out your skin. The last and my favorite detox water is the ABC detox juice. Apple, beetroot, and carrot. 3 of them have the reputation of removing toxins from the body and rejuvenating the cells. ABC detox drink helps in flushing out toxins from liver, kidney, intestines, skin, and makes it appear healthier and improves your gut function. It may also help in clearing out your skin as beetroot is very good for acne. Carrots are very good for your eyes. Therefore, you should have this drink if you want to clear out your gut, clear out your skin. Those were 4 of the greatest detox juices that you can have that will help your body in different ways. Make sure that you make some for yourself only if you are not allergic to any of the ingredients mentioned. Apart from keeping your hydration up, it is also very important to focus on antioxidants. Eat foods that are rich in antioxidants, as antioxidants protect your cells against damage caused by molecules called free radicals. That's it for this video. I hope that you keep yourself safe and warm during this season, and I will see you next week.